So the winner of the Caddx Turtle didn't claim their prize in time, so I decided to go ahead and actually re-release this giveaway and emphasize that you should read the rules in the description, because apparently many of you aren't following the rules correctly. So I'm not going to say anything in the video here, you just have to go and read the rules. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the winner in a pinned comment in this video, so you have to check back later if you won or not. And the comments are going to be moderated again. Same deal as before, but this time obviously I have to use a different clip, so I'm putting a different clip of an old video of mine in there. And since you guys were confused about the whole timestamp thing, no timestamp requirement, just put the title of the video in your comment, no links. All links will be invalidated and sent to spam. That's it. And also, I guess because of some people were suggesting that it shouldn't be a first come first serve or whatever, what I'll do is I will take the first 10 correct responses, and then I'll do a random drawing amongst the first 10 to make it a little bit more fair. Yeah, so at least if you're somewhat quick about it, you'll have a fair chance. But if you're watching this video a week or two down the line, you're probably too late, so sorry about that. But yeah, I thought that would be a little bit better. But just read all the rules down below. I'll just reiterate them down in the description. And good luck.